Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the view cube and its functions completely. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So as you can see, this is the view cube, which basically lies by default in the right top corner of the workspace of the AutoCAD. So this is the north side in the view cube, this is the west, this is the east, and this is the south side. And now the workspace is in the view of the top. So when you are drawing now something, it means that you are looking to your object from the top, and through this you can change the directions. Now the top side, on this side in the AutoCAD, this side represents this upper side is the east. You can also rotate to make the south side is now on this side, and now the west side is in this direction. So you can change the different uh, directions for the view cube, and it plays a very important role to look your object in different directions and also in 3D views. So now we will understand this now with the help of example. So now as you can see, this is now 2D look like a 2D plan. If we click on the wireframe, now it is a 2D plan, and you are for a residential building. This is the room 1, this is the bedroom 2, this is the attached washroom with this room, this is the attached bathroom, this is the TV lounge, this is the kitchen, this is the carport, this is the guest room. So through view cube you can rotate or you can view the different views of this residential building. So now we want to see its view in the perspective view. So I will be using the view cube. So this is this corner. When I click, so you will see that it will be now will look in the, now you can see this is our building. So now through that view cube, now it is in the 3D, and you are looking in the to the perspective view of that building. So now it is again the top view, as you can see on the view cube. Now we want to rotate this object. So when we will click on the shift, and when we click on the pen and then press, you can see view cube in this direction. Now you can see the top, front and left side of the building. Now this is the top side, this is the front side, and this is the left side of the building. So the view cube plays a very important role to see the different views in different directions of your object or building or any other thing you have drawn in the AutoCAD. So to make it conceptual, now you can see through this view cube you can see the top, left and front side. This is the front, this is the top, and this is the left side. Now in the view cube you can see this is the front side of the building. Now you can see this is the back side. This one the back, this one the back. Now you can see this is the left side. Now this is the bottom side of the. You can see the view cube rotates as we are rotating the beam. So view cube plays a very important role while working in AutoCAD. So now if we have studied till the functions and the functionality of the cube, view cube. So now if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.